Today I'm checking out this 300-piece set of fuses. It says car fuses. Of course, there are all kinds of fuses. I bought this because I have an RV. We have our vehicles, 5 of them, 6 vehicles between the kids. We have 3 tractors. I mean, there's so many things that we have, the boat, everything, that uses these type of fuses. So you either have micro, which I know my truck uses. I've had to switch those. Then you've got mini, which, was relatively new. Not probably as new as micro, but this is in a lot of our vehicles. And then you have the regular sizes, which are in most of the other vehicles. So my tractors and the boat, things like that, RV, they all use these fuses. I ordered these just to have on hand because I need fuses. I just got this in. I already have a use for it. I've got a fuse that's blown I need to replace. So I'm going to open this thing up. We're going to look at all these different fuses, and then I'm going to get my fuse switched out. So what's pretty cool about this kit is not only do you have all these fuses, but they're also organized really well. And this little container can just keep them all nice and organized for you. You've got all of the information about the different fuses right here on this pamphlet that comes in it. And then even if you've never switched out a fuse, it actually shows you how to switch out a fuse and, how to test them. I mean, it's a good little pamphlet if you've never done it. It even comes with the little tool to take these fuses in and out, because although these larger ones like this really aren't that hard to pull out, you can pull them out by hand or use like a pair of needle nose pliers or something like that. But man, when you start getting down to these little smaller micro fuses, they are hard to get out if you don't have a tool. So it comes with this little handy tool that, you just kind of squeeze it, grab it, and pull it. I actually am looking for these type of things all the time when I have to switch out a fuse. All of your major fuses, and you get, not just 1 or 2. Some of these have 15, 20 of them, just 6. You just got a good amount of fuses here. I'm hoping this lasts me forever, but we'll see. Just wanted to show you this. Hopefully this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.